Well, hello viewer. Today I want to repair my windscreen squirters because they're not hooked up. The pump works and all that, but what happens is you got these little connectors, little T-pieces and things, and they just, you know, they get old and brittle and fall apart. So the thing is, it's got all this insulation, and I don't want to wreck that. I got some little tools I might be able to get in under it. Actually, that's what I'll do. As long as it's not glued to the bonnet, I'm not really sure, because see, the squirters are there. Okay, so yeah, that might have to that insulation might have to be pushed aside. Oh well. What do I need here? See, that's got to go to 2 squirters. So where's the hose for the other one? It used to work, but then I had some work done on it, and it would appear it was not put back together correctly, which is annoying. Now to remove these little clips, like these circular clips, like this one here, I've got these tools, a packet of 5 different tools from Super Cheap, and they're pretty handy because you can get in behind these clips and remove them without wrecking anything, which is handy for me because I'm good at wrecking things. Important to hold your finger over the clip when you're taking it out, otherwise that's just going to disappear off into the never never and you're never going to find it again. Okay, so that hole where I've got my finger, that's directly underneath the washer squirter. Okay, so I just need I need a T-piece. I need a T-piece where that's broken off. A T-piece, bit more tube, enough tube to go to the other side. So yeah, T-piece, one to go to this side, one to go to the other side. It's off to Super Cheap I go. Alright, I'm back after going all around cans looking for the appropriate parts. I found some hose, but I've got a feeling, gee, that's all hard actually. I might have to replace that whole hose. So what I think I might do, cut it down there, it seems to be a bit softer there. And with a bit of luck, yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah, it's gone a bit hard. The end of it did, but that's closer to the bottle, it's a lot softer. So so that's gone on there. Well, that's not going to come off anyway. And now I've got to get me T-piece. See, this hose is a bit bigger. Bigger than the other hose. We're only going to need, yeah, about that much. So this, yeah. Alright, that's that one. Just undo a couple of these clips. Righto, that's all I need to undo there. Now I'm just going to try and poke this onto the end of the washer. Alright, that's on. Now, I'm just going to conceal that hose behind the insulation, if I can. Through behind the This is a real ball ache, this. Oh, fuck. I'm just trying to route it through the cutouts in the bonnet frame. And I'll bring it out. Have I got one more? Yeah, I got one more. Bit awkward, as everything is on bloody cars. Alright. So that's behind there. Then I'm going to attach that on there. And hope it works. Oh, I don't think there's even any water in there, so I'll fill it up. And then I'm going to give it a go. Okay, it's a big reveal. Alright, we got one side, but the other side, the other side not so much. Yeah, not much coming out of that one. So, oh well, that's all right. I'll take that jet off and just clean it out. It's obviously blocked with something or other. Just got a bit of really fine fishing wire here. So, just gonna bore out those a bit. There we are. Okay, that's unblocked it. Okay, back. I've just sat it there attached to the hose, so we'll try this again. Hey, look at that, you beauty. That's looking good. Might have to, alright, I'm going to seat that in. I might trim those hoses a little bit too. Just tidy it up a little bit. I know it's not going to be... Oh, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Ideally I would have replaced the hose from the washer bottle, but where do you end, you know? You just try and make the jobs a bit easier. Because when you start tampering with things on old cars like this, you end up breaking something else, and on it goes. So I'm going to I'll seat those jets, and I'll tidy up the hose a little bit, and put those clips back on for the insulation, and she's nearly done. Alright, so it's all hooked up and working, but obviously this isn't quite ideal, so I'm going to shorten these. I'm going to just extend that hose. I'm just going to extend that hose, put a T-piece between these two, make sure that's about the right length, so I'll probably cut that one there. I don't want to kink it though, got to be careful not to kink it. So that one there. Connect the T-piece like that. Just a straight connector. Because yes, I should replace the whole hose, but like I say, that would involve, I think it'd involve taking out the filler bottle, which I don't really want to do at the moment, because that's probably just going to end up causing me more grief. That might be enough hose to join that there. Alright, so that's like that. Close it, I just want to make sure it doesn't catch on anything as it closes. Alright. Yeah. Like I bought one. Anyway, hope that's of use to you. Till next time.